driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, in today's video I have a very special guest. This is Svet. You might remember him from my last couple of hundred videos. Last time you saw him in a similar look, I did the Joker on him, but this time we decided to go for something a bit more Halloween-y, and we went for Venom. As you can see, I think it turned out really good. I was honestly impressed with myself. Not to, you know, blow smoke up my own ass, but I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Do you like it?
Yes, amazing.
You do? Yeah, I think it turned out really good. Like, this is my first time recreating something like that, and I think it turned out pretty good because it's not every day that I do something like this, apart from like my last video. This video is not going to be one of those where I talk through all the steps, so it's pretty much going to be just, you know, some music and me painting his face. But I really hope you enjoyed. We had so much fun creating this look, and he actually didn't moan as much as last time. He actually had fun this time. So yeah, enjoy the video. Oh yeah, he's been drinking beer from a straw because he was gonna ruin my makeup.
Just wanna feel alive. I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss who gon' mush your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. That they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. We had so much fun creating this look, and Svet actually did have a lot of fun as well. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is going to be right here, ElizabethNova_. I will pop his Instagram as well over here, so you can go follow me if you like. But that's it from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy as well. If you didn't like it, then give it a thumbs down. But all in all, I'm so happy with how this look came out. Don't ruin my makeup. Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.